Hello and welcome again to our lesson 2 of learning piano as a beginner. This is learning piano with Minister Levy. Lesson 2, we are going to learn a scale. This is called the scale of C major. It is the simplest key. Why is it so simple? It is simple because it has no black keys. You don't need black keys in the key of C major. If you are a beginner, make sure you can play the key of C major. And if you are watching this video, it means you are in luck. This video is having an advantage because there is no ads on this video, so no pauses for ads. Now, the key of C major is a very special key, just like any other key. You can play any music just like you can play on any other key, and all the keys are same in terms of quality of music. You can transpose to any other key, but if you know one key very well, you can play very nice music just the way someone else can play on any other key. The key of C starts from the note C itself. The key of C, the name comes from the note C. So since you are playing the key of C, the first note is C, and the second note is D, E, F, G, A, B. These notes are numbered also. You can say this is Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Now this Do, we started with it, but this is now a new octave. You can watch our previous video to understand octaves. This is a new octave. Now, why do I go from C then to D? Why not C to C sharp? Why? Why am I not going to C sharp? Also, if you don't understand the concept of of sharps and flats, please refer to our previous video. We have touched a lot on sharps and flats. Now, this is why I'm going to the key of I'm going to talk to you about why we are not doing C sharp while the second note is D. Now there is a formula of extrapolating keys. Now we say tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitones. Others say half. Others say full, full, half. Full, 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 half. Now, I want you to understand this is very special. The interval between two notes is a half a tone. For example, this and this, the interval is this. So when you come from, when you skip this one, when you skip one, it means that there is a half a tone. So the interval between two notes is half a tone. For example, these how many keys are these? 1, 2, 3. So these are 3, which means it is a full tone. So from here to here, it is 3 notes, which makes it a full tone. Okay, so from here to here is tone. So we do tone, tone, and then this is here semitone, because there is nothing here. There is nothing here, semitone. Then tone, tone, tone. There is nothing here, semitone. tone, 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 semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Is it being understood? I'm going to repeat again that concept because it is confusing to some people. The keyboard has been arranged in that formula: tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone, favoring the key of C, which I told you it is the simplest key. So each note represents a half a tone. Each tone, each key represents a half. This is a half, 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 this is a. So if you skip 2 and if you do 2 and then go to the next one, it means you have done a what? A full tone. But if you don't skip any, it means that you have done a half a tone. That is where that is why we don't go to C sharp. We go to D. Are we together? Now, since we have already studied that, this concept will come in handy when we start to study the keys that use black keys. Now, as when you look here, there is something that I have prepared here. So the first key is C, and it goes to D. This first key, I have labeled it 1. Then, so followed by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These ones, they are total in 7, and that is all that you want. The first one is called Do. The second one, Re. The third one, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. This is the last. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. So, from C to D, it's a tone because you have skipped one. You have skipped the C sharp. C sharp has been skipped. You have skipped C sharp. From D to E is also a tone because you have skipped D sharp. Then from E to F is semitone because there is no black key on top of it. And so on and so on. So that is why it comes in hand. So you need to understand that there is Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. That one, you need to do practice of it and let the music sing in you because it is the basics of any music. In lesson 3, we will study on how to make chords from those 7 notes. Imagine all you need to play music are the 7 notes, not even the 12. Each key has 7 notes. From these 7 notes, we will make 7 chords that you can play any music. How simple is this? You can just imagine. So from Do to Ti, from Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, you can play any music using chords. Our chord construction lesson is the next one. Make sure you have watched our first video because our lesson 1, because it is very handy for you to understand how we can form chords before we can even start playing simple music and understand what are we doing and how is this happening. And therefore, I believe that you have understood the 7 notes, and it is just a repetition the way I told you in code 1, and so on and so on and so on. Keep watching our videos. We will be posting. Concentrate on making sure that you have a pen and paper because the foundations are very, very important. And some of you have been watching our videos. We are saying play code 1, play code 2, play code 3. And you might not understand what is code 1, what is code 2. So we have decided that we will teach you from the scratches, and it is not going to be very many videos. Very soon we will start playing full music. Those people that like seven, like Lingala, like cool worship, you will see in the next lesson we will create chords, and chords are the ones